Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then hello, my name is Deondra and thank you so much for stopping by. Alright y'all, so as you can see, I have my blow dry twist in, which means that I'm about to try a brand new stretched style. And I am so excited because y'all, I have the Go Sleek Silk Curler. And I have been seeing this all over Instagram and I was like, I just have to try it out. I've seen so many people use it and their hair came out so pretty. And so I just want to try it on my own natural hair. So my hair has already been prepped. I washed it, deep conditioned it, I blow dried it as you can see. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over my hair a little bit with my Tymo straightening comb just because it is pretty poofy and I want it to be a little bit straighter so that my curls will come out a little bit sleeker. But I'm not going to straighten my hair a whole lot. If you want to see how I actually straightened my hair fully with the Tymo, then I will link that video down below in the description box. But for this video, we're just gonna kind of straighten it out a little bit, you know, just get some of that poof out before I go in with the silk curler. So I already had my Tymo heating up while I was doing the intro to this video, and it is on 370 degrees. And I'm just going to kind of go in sections to try to straighten my hair a little bit. But first I'm just gonna take out these clips. I like to put clips on the end just to keep my hair stretched when it's blow dried. But we are done with them now. So now I'm just going to section my hair back off into the 4 sections. Alright, so we're gonna start with this back section, and you can see that I have it already divided into 2 sections. That's how I divide my hair when I blow dry. And so we're just gonna clip this one section out the way so that we can work on this one. Now I'm just gonna spray some of my Uncle Funky's Daughter Maximum Thermal Protection Primer. I already sprayed some of this before I blow dried, but I just want to spray a little bit more just to give me a little extra heat protection since I am about to apply more heat. So I just sprayed the entire section. And now I'm going to just pull out a small section just to start off with. Alright, so first section is done, and I'm just gonna do the other 3 sections off camera so that I can speed this process up for y'all. Alright y'all, so we did my whole head, and this was a pretty light straighten, but I'm really impressed with how straight my hair actually got because this looks pretty good. I'm almost tempted to just stop right here. I'm just kidding. I had to try the silk roller, y'all, but if I was not, I would just leave it like this because it looks really pretty. But anyways, we're about to go ahead and open up the box for the Go Sleek Silk Curler. Okay. Alright. So this is what it looks like. Has everything inside of the box, and it has some directions, and then it has everything just neatly placed inside the box. So the first thing is this clip, which you use to clip one side of the roller in place. There's this little bag that I guess you can just store your silk curler in, which is cute. And then it comes with 2 scrunchies, silk scrunchies, to put on the ends of the roller, and then of course your roller. So I'm so excited. All right, so I'm just gonna read the directions. I watched several videos on how to do this, so hopefully it's as easy as it looked, but we're gonna see. The directions say, section your hair into 2 sections. Roller can be used on wet, damp, or dry hair. Place the silk curler over your head like a headband. Place the clip at the top or side of the silk curler to secure it. Start at the top and gradually wrap one side of your hair around the curler tightly and work your way down. Add the silk scrunchie to the end of the roller to secure your hair and to prevent unraveling, and then you repeat on the other side. Cover your hair loosely with a silk scarf and leave in hair for at least 6 hours or overnight. All right, so I'm definitely gonna be leaving this in overnight because I want to get a really nice set and I want my curls to actually last. So, oh my gosh. So I'm going to be leaving them in overnight. All right, so I'm thinking that I might want a side part for this. So let me try to do that. Like I could just do a middle part and then flip it over after, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and roll it to the side. That might be a little bit difficult, but we're gonna see. All right, so I'm gonna make sure that all of my hair is to the front. All right, and I'm going to just clip this side since I'm starting on the heavier side. So I just clipped that side out of the way. And now we're going to put the silk curler on. To make sure that it is even on both sides. I think that looks pretty good. All right, so now I'm gonna take the clip that they gave me and I'm gonna clip this side of the roller to my head. This looks really funny. So from what I've seen, the key to this is using small sections. So I'm going to take a really small piece of hair and then I'm just going to wrap it around the rod and pull tight. Make sure y'all can actually see this. And then I'm going to take another piece and add it to that one. Pull it tight again. Alright y'all, so basically I had to just scrap that whole thing and start over because trying to do a side part was just not working out. So the second time around I did it with my hair divided in the middle, and again I just put the clip on the other side of my hair and just brought all of my hair to the front. And I'm still doing the same thing, just pulling really small pieces and just wrapping my hair around the rod, trying to keep the rod as tight as possible while also grabbing more hair as I wrap around. I feel like the hardest part for this was just keeping the rod tight. It just kept wanting to loosen up, which just made it a little bit difficult. But as I kept going, I kind of got the hang of it, and it did get a lot easier. So once I got to the bottom, I just wrapped the hair around the rod a few times, and then I just took the silk scrunchie that came in the box and wrapped it around to secure my hair in place. Alright guys, so the roller is in. I don't know how securely it's in, but it is in. And I think I'm just gonna leave it at this. I could try it again, but I think this is pretty good, at least for my first time. So we're gonna be done, and we are going to put our bonnet on and be done with this. So the way she did it was she took them to the back, and then she just twisted them together like so. And so that did make it feel a little bit tighter. So hopefully this thing stays on my head tonight. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of holding spray to try to give me some good hold. I'm actually really excited about this. I feel like it's gonna be cute. Even though it looks kind of crazy right now, I have faith that it's gonna come out really pretty tomorrow. So now I'm just gonna put this bonnet on. We are in there. And hopefully this roller does not come out of my head tonight. We're gonna see. I will see y'all in the morning. Okay, so it's the next day, and y'all, it did not come off. It did slide a little bit. It was trying to slide, but it stayed on, which is the important thing. And so we're about to see how it turned out. All right, so I'm just gonna untwist this. Okay. And pull these off. All right. We're gonna pull it off. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. There's actually curls there. And I am a little bit shocked because I did not know that this was going to give me any curls because it looked really loose. But I think this is going to be really pretty, y'all. Pull it apart a little bit. Whoa. Okay, so this is pretty. Just gonna do my little side part real quick. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is so pretty. Like, wow. I just love it. It has such like an effortless look to it. And it has so much body and volume. Like, I cannot. Okay, I am a little shocked. I did not think it was gonna come out this good. I'm not gonna lie. It's so pretty. Like, look at that. Yo. Okay, so I'm really feeling this. I feel like if I would have left it in for like 2 whole days, it would be even more defined. But even this is like so pretty. So obviously this is like a 1-day type of hairstyle, but I feel like that's really no big deal because you can just roll it again every night if you want to. And as you get better with it, you'll get quicker. Even for me, it didn't take that long once I got the technique down. So I could easily do this like again tonight and then wear it like this tomorrow. Like, I am obsessed. It kind of gives me like wand curl vibes, the way it's just so like fluffy and big, but you don't even have to use the extra heat of a wand curl, so that is like amazing. And I just straightened mine because I felt like it, but you could honestly do this just on your blow dried hair and then you wouldn't need any direct heat. I love it. So y'all, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments how you feel about these curls. I really want to hear y'all's thoughts. And don't forget to join the clique by hitting that subscribe button. Thank y'all so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video next Friday. Bye.